This is the recently opened furniture showroom in Al Noman China International Mart near to Barka. If you want to buy a high quality fiber chair or fiber table, this is the perfect place to buy. Here you can find different models of fiber chairs in different colors on different model, and definitely it suits your preference and your comforts. So if you consider this chair, how much comfort it will give you, the weight it carries, definitely it give you more comfort. One of the dining tables I liked most because here we can relax, chit chat with our family members, and whatever the dish menu we need, just simply roll it out and it will come to our side. السلام عليكم. كيف الحال؟
الحمد لله
زين؟
الحمد لله.
ما فيك كبر باجد عربيك؟ هذا مشان فرنيتشر، هذا مشان النومان فرنيتشر مارت. كيف يعني how do you feel this one؟ هذا زين، هذا كيف؟
زين هو الحمد لله، يعني كامل نفر جاي زياده مني يشتري زياده سامان.
اوه صح.
مني هذا كرسي اثاث طاوله كله يشتري سامان زياده، كستمر جاي.
ما شاء الله زين.
جوده زين كله زين.
So you talk to your friends that this place, the quality of this furniture, how do you feel? Yeah.
Good quality. السعر
قيمة. زين. هذا فلوس ناقص، هذا quality زين. great. indeed هذا مشان from China or from Malaysia or Turkey or مشان local هذا عمان. all في. زين. اوكي شكرا. Hi, here we have Mr. Peter, one of the business entrepreneurs in Sultanate of Oman. Let's ask him more details how he managed his business in Sultanate of Oman during this COVID-19. Last week, the newly opened Al Noman China International Mart, where we could see the different varieties of furnitures. Let's ask Mr. Peter,
Yes.
during this COVID time, how you managed to open a newly furniture mart in Sultanate of Oman? From where you did this confidence?
First, you see our shop for the furniture is the biggest furniture shop in all the China Mall in Oman. As you know, in the Oman there are a lot of China Mall open. But you see, I'm very confident is in our shop. The size is the biggest one, and we have a lot of from A to Z, all the furniture item for office, for home, everything we have. So this is we we are confident to open during this COVID-19. And our price is very good, super price. So during the opening time, thanks to God, there are a lot of customers visit our shop. Have very good sales also.
Yeah, you would like to say your strength is best quality with affordable price.
Yes.
And we have wide range of selection. It definitely it suits the interest of the customers. I'm sure most of all you are having the Omani clients, right?
Yes.
So depends upon customers' taste. You have made the different arrangements. We could see how much area you have this one.
3,000 square meters.
Oh, 3,000
Yeah.
square meters full of furniture. Amazing, Mr. Peter. I appreciate your confidence on your clients during
Thank you,
this
thank you.
COVID period. I'm sure how many shops do you have in Sultanate of Oman, mainly on the furniture?
In the furniture, I have 5.
Oh, you have
Yeah.
5. Definitely you have a wide range of
Yeah, but this
clients.
is the one in the Noman China Mall is the biggest one.
Biggest. So this
Yeah.
is the biggest furniture mart which he has started in Al Noman International Mart. Is near to Barka. And how long you have been in Oman?
8 years now.
Hmm?
8 years. 8 years.
Oh, 8 years of
Yes.
Oman experience. Definitely you know the taste of the clients.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Normally here you focus more on the home furniture or the office furniture.
Both.
Both.
Both, yes.
Yeah, that is also a highlight of your shop. You focus both on home and the office.
Yeah. And I import the furniture from China, from Turkey, and from Egypt. And we also have a local factory to manufacture also. So I believe I can make the most of my customers satisfied to fill their need.
Oh, as per their needs,
Yeah.
you can make high quality furniture even locally too.
Yes.
Those who need the imported one, you have. Those who need to make the furniture on their taste, their interest, that also is possible from you. Correct?
Yes.
Great, Mr. Peter. Appreciate.
Thank you.
And what is your next plan? Or do you have any other plan to open or whatever the 5 shops that you have already established? So why you are focusing only on this area?
During this one COVID time, you see my plan for the future. I will import more cheaper and a good quality and a nice furniture for the Omani customer.
Great.
For my customer in Oman.
Oh, great. So even now also I met some of your clients here. They are quite happy with your product, your price, your service. Even though it's new in Al Oman Mart, but from your other shops, so many clients are coming here to visit, to find what is new here. Definitely they found something new from other shops, and some of the clients they have shared that here quality meets budgets. Even the COVID time, everybody is thinking about less money,
Yes.
more thing. Definitely, your shops, it gives the opportunity for the clients to get the high quality product with
And a
affordable
more cheaper
price.
price.
Exactly.
Yes.
And what about your after sale service? Once you sold the furniture, if the clients they need maybe some modification required, anything, is it possible?
Regarding for this one, we were sent to customer house to prepare everything. The customer only pay, and we arrange everything for him.
Oh, great.
And after say even any problem, we were to solve the customer because we want the customer relax.
Oh, great.
Purchase from my side.
Yeah. Just to pay, rest you will take
Yes.
care. Oh, that's the quality.
All other job is from my
Oh,
side.
great. Amazing job. Amazing team you have. Great.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Peter. Nice to talk to you.
Thank you.
Best wishes for your new venture. I am sure you are going to conquer all parts of Oman with your high quality brand with the affordable price.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Let me ask Mr. Nishad, why did you select this Al Noman International Furniture Mart, one of your favorite shopping destination, even though this is opened, I think 1 week back? What was the thing which attracted you to come here and to do the purchase for your office and for your home too?
See, last week only I came to know that a new China Mall opened here with the showrooms. So I just come here, look for my houses for some furnitures, and when I come here, what I understood means it's a very big shopping mall and a lot of choices for me, for the chairs, for the dining table, and for the sofa set and bedroom set also. And also I found that there is a lot of collections. That is the one thing I attracted, and also the price also I feel little comfortable when I am looking some dining table. I need some compact product.
So even though the dining table which is displaying over here, first of all I thought it's like a floor, the marble floor with the design. When we come closer, we exactly felt that it is not the floor, it's the dining table with a special touch.
Yes,
Special touch.
yes, I also feel the same, because now the trend is like that. The dining table, like marble finishing.
Yes.
So even our family also very attractive this. They only told a newly typed dining table introduced in the market. I was also searching for that.
Actually, it's they maintain in a very good manner,
Yeah,
and it
yeah.
doesn't cost that much too. That is the highlight of this mart, which I felt.
Yeah.
Many of the Omani clients I just met for some back,
Yeah.
and they were also giving the same feedback. Here we will get the good quality with affordable price.
Yeah.
Even though I had seen that area where they displayed these fiber
Fiber chairs.
Fiber
Yes,
chairs.
that also attract me.
Right. So different
Yeah, yeah.
colors, it gives a nice.
Yeah, it is attraction for the officers and all. If you put the different colors of chairs, it will be more attractive. I also feel the same.
Yeah, even kids also like these types
yeah.
of chairs very much.
I mean, in one roof, lot of different products with different quality and different prices also. That is the one I attracted.
I met Mr. Peter, who is in charge, who is managing this mart, but he was telling he always give the focus to the quality.
Yeah.
Normally we could see so many China malls in Oman, but here they maintain a good quality with affordable price. That is what the Al Noman International China Mart always looks for that.
Yes. Right.
The furniture, the most attractive thing which gives the value to the valuable furniture which we kept in our home is the carpets. If you have a beautiful carpet or nice one, definitely it gives more attraction to our dining room or office or wherever we live. Let's discuss with Mr. Peter about the variety of the carpets which he have displayed over here, and which are the carpets customer used to prefer to buy most from here. Mr. Peter, can you just describe about the carpets which you have displayed over here? From which are the countries you are having the carpet you brought here?
Yeah.
Or it's only Turkey, or you can talk
all
about
this
that
one, my carpet is from Turkey.
Turkey.
Yeah. We can use mostly for the home, and we also have for the project and for the mosque also. But now it display here. Then most of the carpet is for living room, for dining room, for home use properly. Yeah.
Okay, great. So here most of all you prefer to give more satisfaction to the customers, which they want to display the high quality carpets at home.
Yes.
Correct. And even though you were saving for the mosque and commercial establishments
Yes, yes.
for different types of bigger
Yes. we also
carpet.
doing for the project carpet also.
Oh, great, great. So definitely you believe the carpet gives more value to the decoration at
Yes,
your house.
yes.
Correct,
Sure.
great, great, great.
Yes.
So we could feel also different types of different colors, different shades of carpets which you have displayed. Definitely you know the pulse of your customer. That is what you just incorporate the carpet also with your wide range of the furnitures.
Yeah.
Thank you very.
Yeah. When you select the sofa from the bedroom, the me same time can select which one match the carpet.
Oh, okay.
Right. So this one for everything.
Yeah,
For the room.
under one roof you can find everything.
Yes.
Otherwise we used to go some other place to buy carpet, and here you can give the matching with your furniture.
One-stop shop.
One-stop solution for
Yeah.
everything.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
exactly.
Yes.
Great to see your hard work, Mr. Peter. Thank you. Nice to talk to you.
Thank you.